Hello everyone, welcome to Telangana Exam Center. Today we'll be talking about a very important concept, or you can say that very important emerging area that has been emphasized by none other than Prime Minister Modi ji in the Wave Summit 2025, which was held in Mumbai. So we are talking about orange economy. Orange economy, for your information, is also called as creative economy. Remember this point. Okay. By orange economy, it is very difficult to interpret or to put little bit logic that what it could mean. So many of us may think, or many of the aspirants may think that orange economy is nothing but just like any other rainbow revolution, like blue revolution, yellow revolution, like that. No, in the same way, the aspirants may understand that it is nothing but increase in the production of oranges, but it is not like that. Orange economy is also called as what? Creative economy. The moment we understand the word creative, creative is nothing but when a particular individual, puts its brain to bring out any kind of idea, to bring out any kind of innovation, to bring out any kind of creation, okay, which is different from the existing products or which may have not existed till today. That particular area, that particular thing is called as what? Creativity. We call it as what? Creativity. So creativity basically is nothing but coming from the one's wisdom, one's knowledge, one's training, one's education, one's ideas, and because of which it can have a larger impact on the masses. So creative economy is also called as orange economy, has been given a lot of importance in the Wave Summit. You might have also seen that many of the Bollywood celebrities, Tollywood celebrities, and all the pan-India celebrities from the cinema industry has actually went there and took part in various questionnaires and tried to enlighten us with regard to how the industry is functioning, right? I hope this is all clear to you. Now let us understand the framework of it. Just a minute, I will see that whether we are having, okay, sound is well placed, no problem here. Let us start our discussion. So in the question, we are having these three important areas. So one is, what do you understand by the concept of orange economy? That is what is given. Then do we have a scope? Means you should have a scope. Suppose if we want to produce, if you want to produce renewable energy, so the basic understanding of this particular planning of economy is that do we have a scope? Having a scope is nothing but do you have the resources? What does it mean? Do you have the resources in order to produce what? Renewable energies, or in order to transition, in order to make a transition from fossil to non-fossil fuels. So when we talk about scope, yes, we do have, because our see the tropical country, we have a lot of solar energy which we can do. We have coastal areas so that we can produce what? Wind energy, etc. So and so forth. So when we talk about creative economy, do we really have the scope for it? Means, do we really have the backward linkages because of which we can make a thriving and a flourishing orange economy? The third one here we are having in the question is measures taken by the government of India in order to promote orange or the creative economy. And the fourth one is very beautiful conclusion. So the concept is nothing but your introduction. Scope and measured is your body, which is very adequate. Here 5-6 points, here 5-6 points, your job is done. Conclusion, you should say that how we are going to see this particular sector in future. Okay, obviously always remember this point in the conclusion, especially in economy, you should always be writing employment generation, okay, innovation with regard to this service sector. Okay, right, let us now go ahead in the mains question and answer. Before going into discussion, I would like to make all of you informed with regard to the mains mentorship program we are having. We are running it. Okay, there is a description in the given below, and the number is this one. Make sure that you contact to this number. We will have a demo session with you. Remember this point: mentorship is not at all about okay, just giving you one schedule and asking you to write the test. Mentorship here we do in a very elaborate manner. It covers prelims and QQs. It covers mains answer writing practice. Remember this point. It covers giving you model question and answer. It covers contemporary topics explanation or the lectures on it. It covers your time management. It covers your way of writing your handwriting. It covers to improve your handwriting, how to be very faster and how to write in a very presentable manner, very readable manner. Not only that, it also cover knowledge gap series. Suppose in a particular subject you might have not studied few topics, that few topics will be taken up and the lectures will be given to you. So mentorship, as I feel, is not just about giving you a schedule that you should follow and write the examination. After that, evaluation monitoring is not the end. Mentorship should include all of this, because mentorship is equal to, okay, performance is equal to what? Cracking the examination. So basically we here link mentorship to what? Cracking the examination. That's all we do here. We have lots of components. With regard to this, I'll make a separate video. Do join our mains mentorship answer writing practice. Okay, you will be definitely able to crack the examination. That much of confidence will definitely instill in you. Let us go ahead with the introduction. Okay, so orange economy or the creative economy refers to the industries that rely on individual creativity, skill and talent. Individual creativity, what I do, skill, what I possess. The talent is nothing but how to do a particular thing is called as talent. Skill is possessed by everyone, but talent is basically in a how you present your skill in a manner which actually mesmerizes people, which actually make people to be have a feeling of awe. So that is called as talent. Many people have the skill, many dancers are there, many singers are there, but talents are there only with a few. It means the way they do it, okay, people loves it. That is only called as talent. Okay, skill and talent together will lead to what? Innovation. Remember this point here. These are the people which are going to be innovators, which are going to be creators in our country. Okay, right. So I have told you what is the meaning of orange economy. This particular creation or skill or talent is very diverse and have lot of areas which it incorporates, which includes music, film, design, fashion. Okay, lot of people have very much knowledge with regard to what? Tailoring, right? But still you will see a lot of boutiques, you will see a lot of people coming up with a lot of fashions, okay, in the Shark Tank India also. Remember this point. It means what? With the help of your skill, you have a unique talent, and that talent is basically welcomed by many. That is how you become a influencer, right? So the creativity, skill and talent is basically more of so is very much concerned or have a very serious proximity with regard to the areas like music, film, design, fashion, publishing, okay, arts, advertising and software development, right? WhatsApp is there, anything can come in future which is more better than WhatsApp. Okay, that is nothing but we know coding, that WhatsApp is also coding. Anything that comes in new one, that is also coding. But coding everyone knows, but how you put that coding into a form where people may be amazed that what work you have done, such a creative work, that is only called as what? Talent. As defined by the United Nations Economic Network, this economy blends very good with regard to culture, economic, social elements. Obviously, when we talk about all of these areas, they have a lot of impact on the society. Plus, not only society elements like politics, elements like lifestyle, elements like food habits, elements like gender related activities, etc. Okay, and this orange economy is basically income generating. Anything you do here will fetch you some amount of money. It means what? It is also part of economy, can contribute a lot to the India's GDP. Along with that, we also have cultural. As a this particular creative economy in India, a lot of people are dependent on this particular industry. So that's why it is a cultural phenomena in our country that whenever we are able to possess a skill or a talent, we like to go on Instagram, we like to go on YouTube and try to show our talent and try to get what? A lot of appreciation. Okay, it means what? It has now become a cultural thing in our country because of what? Mass media. It also connects with other sectors like technology, tourism, and intellectual property. The moment any kind of things like creation will come into existence, creativity, ideas will come into existence is equals to what? Protection of it. That is what is called as intellectual property rights will come automatically. The orange economy largely based on ideas and knowledge the one possesses. It has the potential to increase the economic growth of the country, generate jobs. Like if I am an influencer, a cameraman, etc., all will be there automatically. They will become what? Employed or not? Yes. Promote innovation. Obviously you will dance. We know that we know the what I say is that uh, Gunguru Nachenge, like Ritik Roshan, we know the song, but I do it different, you do it different, right or wrong? That is what is called as what innovation. Especially in developing countries, we are actually doing a lot of influencing activities. Okay, especially in the developing countries, while we also preserve our cultural heritage and identity with the help of what we are doing. With the help of this particular creative economy, we are trying to project that how Indian heritage or Indian identity is being projected on the global hub. We are actually projecting ourselves as a products, and we are trying to give service in the form of all of this, so that okay, world should recognize our cultural heritage that we are able to preserve, and also ensure that India's identity goes more beyond, okay, transcend the nations and continents. That's all about, you can write in the introduction. Then you have to write the scope. Do we have a scope? Yeah. India is emerging as a global hub for film production, digital content, gaming, fashion, music, and live concert. You might be seeing that a lot of our music singers, okay, they are going different countries and trying to have live concerts, right? India's media entertainment industry is today valued at USD 28 billion. It can grow over 100 billion in the next decade by 2035. Influencer marketing is projected to grow by 25% in 2024, reaching to around 2,344 crore. And this influencer marketing means influencer selling their products from the products, the companies which are actually manufacturing products and services, they are giving this advertisement, endorsement and MOUs to whom? To the influencer. So influencer marketing, once upon a time they were only TV marketing was there, newspaper marketing was there. Now many of the companies which are providing products and services are actually depending upon whom? Influencer. So influencer marketing value is also increasing, and it will increase by 2026 to 3,375 crores. Growth in influencer, a report by Chorus, and in influencer marketing intelligence platform, according to it, there were around 9 lakhs, I'm rounding it off, 9.5 lakhs in 2020 influencers are there. Now we are having 4 million, means 40 lakhs are there. It means what? Within 4 years, you have seen 30 lakhs new influencers come in our country. Impact on FMCG, about 40% to 57% of the brands of FMCG, cosmetics, hair, whatsoever, whey proteins, gym influencers, etc. So you understand that many of the FMCG, 40 to 60% of the FMCG marketing is being done, and also automobile sector marketing is being done by the influencers only. Okay, and that will increase by 10%, and the amount of money these FMCG companies will be spending on influencer marketing will be around 10% by 2026. It means what? If you become an influencer, tomorrow you will be taken up as an influencer for a particular company, which will give you a lot of income too. So India is having, you can see here, a lot of scopes with regard to what? Creation of creative economy or orange economy. What government of India have done in order to give a push to the influencer, this creative economy or orange economy? Establishment of fund is very important. India attempts to position content creator as a serious economic actors dedicated to supporting India's growing creator economy. According to the government, the fund will allow creator to access capital, will be given money, nothing but seed capital or a financial support may be given by by the government, so that we can start our creative economy or being in or becoming an influencer. Hone their skills, we can improve their skills more better, upgrade. Like suppose a person is there somewhere around in what Odisha and doing a very good dance, and he is on the Insta reel and he does very good dance. We just love him and he got around 1 million subscriber. We'll give him money, sir. You come and learn more better. Okay, so that you harness your skill. Okay, so harness the skills, upgrade production quality, and connect with global markets. Wave Bazaar. So in the Wave Summit 2025, which was held this month, government has launched Wave Bazaar, a global e-market designed to connect India's content creator with international buyers and collaborators. It allows creators to showcase their work, pitch projects, and find commercial opportunities abroad. A wonderful opportunity to earn in dollars, to earn in euros. Indian Institute of Creative Technology, a very new institution aimed at building expertise in digital and creative technologies. Now, this particular institution will launch graduate courses, PG courses, diploma courses, certification courses. People like us can better learn with regard to AI, can better learn with regard to handling what? Editing, okay, video, audio, etc., graphics. So this particular institute has been created that will give us more knowledge with and we can become expert in digital and creative technologies. The government of India has sanctioned around 391 crores, okay, in this wave summit for this particular area, for this particular technology. The conclusion you will be getting when you join the mentorship program. Do empower us. I have given my UPI ID also in the description. Do empower us, support and donate whatever you can do. How much you can do, that is more than enough. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day. I'll see you in the next moments model question and answer.